Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's time to reshave my undercut, and I also added my personal no heat natural waves kind of tutorial. Yeah, as you guys can see, I already created this little curly buns. I only used water and a curling foam as styling products, but first let's reshave. And this is not the shaver I was going to use. This time I'm going only to shave my head with this brown shaver. All the time I thought it was by Philips, but after watching my videos I realized it's brown. And the only reason I used this brown shaver this time is I have no charger for the other shaver. That's all. I hope that's a good product review for you guys. To me, it's always a mental misery to shave myself around the head, especially the back part, because my mind always have to turn my reflection in the mirror, and this always needs 100% focus to make no big mistakes. But this time I gotta say that it was a lot easier than the first times. Practice is the key. As you guys might notice, I already shaved the side parts of my undercut. My hair grows so fast, I really had to do this immediately, and the sides are real faster to shave than the back parts.
How about some temperatures, Jim?
Yes, almost done with the shaving, and I started to create my kind of own ombre undershave, if you guys know what I mean. I was trying to shave the hair in my neck shorter than above the ones and tried to create a gradient kind of look. Yes, looks cool, right? Back to my no heat waves. I let them air dry the whole time I was shaving. Now I do a little blow dry at the end. And after that I have to open them, of course. I used little elastic bands to fix them, and it's actually, as you guys can see in my face, it's horrible to get them back out. But it was actually because I wasn't that patient at always, because I was recording. A little bit excited. I'm gonna let it rain just because it fits to the atmosphere.
Now we're going to have lots of music coming up in Pennsylvania.
Now I'm almost done, and to create more this kind of loose look, because I have really straight hair, and to add some volume I like to use this kind of natural waves look. I added a little blow dry to lose them a little bit. And here we are, done with my natural looking waves and my fresh undercut. I want some butterflies to fly around me. Add some hairspray and you're done. Thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe me.